everybody, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing the best part-time job that you can get at Apple as a student living in United States. So before we see what is that job and how you can apply to that via Apple Careers website, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook to get instant update about all our videos. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, offers that are running in different e-learning websites, job updates, internships, workshops, and other online events. So now let's see about this Apple Support College program. So Apple is recruiting college students for home advisor job roles through Apple Support College program. So this is going to be a basic part-time job for you. You should just work weekly 20 hours, and this is a home office job. So you can just sit at your home and work for Apple. And you can live in any city in United States. You can be in Texas, you can be in California, doesn't matter. All you need is you should be a student enrolled in a university in United States. That is the only eligibility that you need to apply to this program. You can be from any city in United States. And here they have given the key qualifications. So you should have that passion for customer service. So basically, as a home advisor, what you will do is you will solve customer queries regarding the doubts that they are getting you while they are using Apple hardware or software products. So if you have some experience in using iOS and other Apple products, then you will have some good advantage in this particular job role, as basically you will be just clearing some doubts for customers. So all other things like team management, time management, self-managing and working independently, all those things are given as a additional qualifications. You can just see it here, and here is the description, and here comes the important thing: education and experience. So as I said, you must be enrolled at a university in United States. So this is the main point here. And next they have given here 2.7 GPA is preferred. So let me just highlight this word preferred. So it doesn't mean if you have 2.6 you cannot apply to this job role. Even if you have 2.6 or 2.5, you can still apply to this program. They have given 2.7 as a preferred qualification. So it's up to the recruiting team whether you should be selected or not, based on all other things that you have for this particular job role. And here they have given additional requirements. So first you will need some time to attend the training. So they will give you nearly 40 hours of training, and it will take around 6 to 9 weeks. And first you should complete that training, and then you should be flexible to work 3 hours 4 hours shift on weekdays, and then you might be required to take one 8-hour shift on Saturdays and other holidays. And here they have given the timing at which you might get the work as well, but this might change depending upon the requirements. And you should successfully complete pre-employment assessment, background check, and initial training. So everything will be covered by Apple. You do not have to worry about anything here. And you should have minimum 40 words per minute as your typing speed. And then all other things that you need is very simple: just high speed internet service and quiet workspace to work peacefully. And if you are from Colorado, you can just click here and see the requirements for Colorado residents. So due to some law, it is a bit different, I think. So you can just click here if you are a Colorado resident. So these are the details given for this home advisor job role by Apple. Now you might have additional questions, so let me just cover that in the FAQ section, frequently asked questions. So first, what is the Apple Support College Advisor? So as you all know, Apple's support team just provides customer service to all the Apple customers through chat or email. So if you want to be a part of that particular Apple support team, then this Apple Support College Advisor program will help you in that. And what does an Apple Support College Advisor do? So as I said earlier, it's simple. You will solve customer queries. So basically you will be responsible for answering customer questions over phone call or chat or some email. So you might be required to know about Apple products so that you can clear the doubts for the customer. And then you have these questions here. What are some of the specific products they support? So it's not like you'll be working on only one product. All those things will be covered in the training. You do not have to worry about it. And if selected for Apple support college program, would I be employed directly by Apple? Yes, of course, you will be an Apple employee if you get through this program. And how much would I be paid? It will be said to you during the recruitment process. And does Apple provide employee benefits? Of course, you will get that as well. Here you can see that. And what are the school requirements and how long is the Apple support college program? Everything is given here. So it's basically 1 year program, but it might change depending upon the requirements and your performance. And how do I know if my major is a fit? It actually doesn't matter. All majors are considered. You just need to be a student. And I'm graduating soon. Can I still participate? Of course, you can participate in this program. And what are the requirements for a home office is given here. It's simple, as I said earlier. All you need is a internet connection and a peaceful environment to work. And your internet service cost will also be reimbursed. And would I have to purchase my own computer and phone? No, they'll also provide you with iMac and headset to work as an advisor. And does Apple provide training for the position? Of course, as I said earlier, again, they will provide the training first and then you will have to work. And where would I train and work? Again, it's going to be a home office job. So your training, your work, everything will be from your home. And do I need prior Mac experience? Actually, if you already have some experience with Apple devices, then you will have some advantage in getting this job, because you already know what will be the problem and how to solve that. Mostly you will know that. But even if you do not have that experience, you can still apply to this program because they will give you the training. So you can just get to know all the things in the training itself. And how would this job fit into my school schedule? So it's up to you. You should manage it. And does Apple require advisors to work on major holidays? It's not compulsory, but you might be required to work on holidays depending upon requirements. And is the Apple Support College program affiliated with any school? No, it's not. And all other things are given here. You can just go through it. This list is going on and on. So I think I have covered some frequently asked questions. And if you have any doubt, you can just put that in the comment section. So make use of it. This has been posted recently as well, just 3 days ago. And I'll just tell you how you should apply to this home advisor job role in this website. So what you have to do is you have to click on sign in and create your Apple account. And then once you're logged into your account, what you have to do is you have to click on submit resume, and then you have to upload your resume and all other required details. And that's it. This is how you need to apply it. It's a simple process. So I hope you will find this useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses or job opportunities like the one which we saw now, you can just subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.